Hey darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Goodness Egwom if you are seeing me for the very first time. And in today's video, I will be answering the question of if your concealer should go on your face first before your foundation, or if your foundation should go on your face first before your concealer. I mean, it's foundation, it's meant to go first before any other thing, right? Let's see how it goes. I might want to wait till the end of the video because I'll be trying out these two methods on my face and I'll be heading out. I know, right? Crazy. I'll be heading out and I'll come back later at night and you'll be able to see which one works better, whether one cracks up within the day or they're both the same thing. Because I mean, as long as they're putting foundation and concealer, last, everything will be fine. So if you like this video, don't forget give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get notified of that video. So with that, let's get right into the video, guys. For this video, I'm going to make use of two essential products which you already know what they are, the foundation and the concealer. For my foundation, I'm making use of the Nuban Beauty In My Skin foundation in the shade F Alakija L4, and for my concealer, I'm making use of the Nuban Beauty In My Skin liquid concealer in the shade number 043. So instead of my face here, I'm going to be doing like how you normally do it, that is apply a foundation then apply a concealer afterwards. Then over here, I'm going to apply the concealer then foundation afterwards, so you can see how it looks at the end of the day. I know it's kind of crazy because I'm going out later, and the fact that I'm going to be having two different things on my face at the same time and I have to go out with it is the love. It's just what we have to do to show you that this is how it works and this is how it looks like under normal everyday Nigerian Lagos weather circumstances. So let's kickstart with the video. So I've gone ahead to apply my primer on my face. You want to apply your primer so that your makeup stays in place throughout the entire day. So I'm just putting it in places where I normally get oily, that is basically my T-zone area, so that nothing moves, nothing shifts, everything stays mattified for the entire day. So I've already gone ahead to draw my brows, so I'm just going to focus on the face basically. So you don't see me doing my brows, that's been taken care of already. On the side of my face here, I'm going to apply my foundation first, like how we're brought up to do it. So I already have my beauty blender here. You can use your brush, you can use your beauty sponge, whatever gives you that flexibility that you're looking for. I'm much more flexible with this one. So I'm just going to take a bit of my foundation here and just work with it. This is what it looks like. This side I have my foundation on already, so this is different. This is foundation on and this is foundation off. I don't say not on, but like off just sounded better. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer here first, so let's get right into it.
Your voice across the room at some party in some house with music that's way too loud. I would probably act all cool and nice, try to be seen by your eyes, secretly hoping you know.
So to be honest with you, this feels kind of crazy in all honesty, because it's weird having to just do half of my face. I'm never going to lie. So I'm just going to start off with my under eye. So I'm going to use this pointy part of my blender, and just start dabbing it in.
I don't know what I would do if I heard your voice across the room at some party in some house with music that's way too loud. I would probably act all cool and nice, try to be seen by your eyes, secretly hoping you notice me, wishing you're not with somebody. So if you're not taken, can we take some time so we can talk until the birds wake up, fill up each other's empty cups, share stories from our lives, from when we said goodbye. We could try to find what we left behind, take the good from the bad, leave the rest to the time.
Okay, this part is a bit tricky because my nose is just one, so I have to just be careful to just leave everything as it is and not get anyone on the other side. I don't know, I feel like I have blended it already. I'm trying my best, guys. But I think here can still see the difference. So I'm going back and twisting the other side of my sponge to pick up any excesses. Okay, so now that we have applied our concealer here, I'm going to go ahead to apply the concealer right above my foundation on this side of my face. I'm trying to do everything the exact same way. So it's not like, oh, I'm intentionally trying to make one side look better or worse than the other. I'm really excited to see how this goes. Okay, so now we're on to blending. Same way, same style, same method. This is what I'm looking like right now. I have applied concealer onto the foundation part, and over here I'm going to go ahead to apply my foundation right above the concealer. I feel like I have concealer in my eye. I don't know why, but let's just go ahead to the foundation. So I got my foundation here, so I'm just going to apply same way, same method onto the side of my face. I had to stop for like 1 second because I feel like I was mixing it up already. Okay, so I'm just applying it to places that I have, basically everywhere. So it's not like I'm just removing the parts that have been concealed. Just applying it everywhere. So guys, just bring back up to speed onto where we are right now. On the side of my face here, I applied my foundation first, then applied my concealer above it. But on the side of my face here, I applied my concealer first, then I applied my foundation after. Okay, so don't get it confused. This is what we're having foundation, concealer, we're having concealer, foundation here. I don't know if you can notice the difference right now, but I don't know. I can't really tell because everything still looks fresh and yum yum, but like time will tell. Like what they say, time will definitely tell. I think I should just blend this on the eye part so to avoid any creasing. So let me go ahead to just finish the rest of my face. So I'm gonna get back to you guys in a bit. So guys, the girl is set to go, and I'm just apply my setting spray. Whew. So once this dries in, this is how we are looking like for the day. It's about 3:30, yeah, Nigerian time. So I'm gonna see you guys later on in the evening. I have to go right now and just stick around to see which side wins the battle, whether this side or this side. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I am back. It's currently like 11:30, 11:35 ish, and I'm so exhausted, but let's just get right into it. So starting off with the under eye creases, let's see how many creases we have on both sides of my face. So from what I can see here, I have my mirror here, guys. So from what I can see here, I have, it's like here the concealer has moved up onto the side of my eye here, yeah, and like I can literally count the number of creases that are here. But over here, like obviously the creases are showing, but they still look pretty much put together compared to this side. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so this is it. I don't know if it's quite obvious. I should move closer. So this is how this side is looking like. It's like the concealer has moved to this side of my eye, and this side, like there are creases, but nothing has moved still. So moving down, moving down, I can see that my pores are showing, but they're showing here, but it's like they've moved up onto this side. So like my creases are coming down, the pores are going up. So say it's like dotted lines up until this point here, and they're showing here, but it's more friendlier. I think that's what I'm looking for. It's more friendlier on this parts, yeah. So it's showing, but it's not as harsh. It's almost giving me freckles here, but it's not as harsh as it is here. And going down, okay, I can see that I have like a smile crack that's gotten from when I'm smiling, I'm talking, which I basically did today. So, but I mean, I didn't really set my face, like I didn't put setting powder on my face here on this part of my face. So I mean that can be forgivable. So just focusing on this two part, I think I'll give it to this guy here because I can still manage with how I look like here than how I look like here. Here looks like everything is very soon going to start peeling off. And for my forehead, everything still basically looks the same. And okay, yeah, my nose bridge, So most times when I move my nose and do things like this, I tend to have this mark on my nose. On this side here, it's not that obvious, line is not that obvious, but on this side here, it's kind of like showing. So I can see, I really hope you can see properly as I'm seeing it here, because I'm using a magnifying mirror, so I can basically see everything up close as it is on my face. So I'm gonna give to this guy, but I'll just try out this other guy. Probably just this weather that was just the problem, but this guy does it for me for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, you've learned one thing or two, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on your bell notification, so whenever I drop an amazing video like this one, you'll be the first person to get notified. Till another video, guys. Goodbye for now.